Hello, friends. Welcome to Fun English Friends. Do you want to improve your English listening and speaking? Today, let's practice daily English conversations about food. These simple conversations will help you speak English more naturally. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice together. Let's begin. Hey, are you okay?
Yeah, I just feel really hungry.
Didn't you eat breakfast?
I only had a little bread.
No wonder. It's already noon.
I know, my stomach is making noise.
I can hear it.
That's embarrassing.
Let's get something to eat.
Yes, please. I want something hot.
Rice or noodles?
Noodles sound good.
Okay, let's go now.
Hurry, I'm starving.
I'm hungry. I'll make instant noodles.
Good idea. I want some too.
Okay, I'll make 2 packs.
Nice. Let's add some protein and vegetables.
Yeah, that will make it healthier.
Do you have eggs?
Yes, I have 2 eggs.
Perfect. Eggs are good protein.
I also have some chicken in the fridge.
Even better. Let's add a little chicken.
Good idea. I'll cut it into small pieces.
Do you boil the water first?
Yes, I'm boiling it now.
Don't forget the seasoning.
Of course, I love the flavor.
What vegetables do we have?
Let me check. We have carrots, cabbage, and green onions.
Great. Let's add all of them.
I'll slice the carrots thin.
I'll wash the cabbage.
And you can cut the green onions.
The water's boiling.
Okay, I'll add the noodles first.
Then add the chicken.
Right, the chicken needs time to cook.
When do we add the eggs?
I'll add them now. I like soft eggs.
Me too. It tastes so good with noodles.
Now I'll add the vegetables.
It looks colorful already.
Yeah, carrots, cabbage, and green onions make it better.
Wow, it smells amazing.
Almost ready, just 1 more minute.
I can't wait. I'm so hungry.
Okay, it's done. Let's serve it.
It looks delicious and healthy.
Yeah, we have noodles, eggs, chicken, and vegetables.
Perfect meal.
Let's eat.
Enjoy. Wow, I'm so full.
Me too. I ate too much.
Why did we order so much food?
Because everything looked delicious.
I can't move.
Same here. I think I need help.
Help? What do you mean?
Help me stand up.
This is bad.
My stomach is so full.
Mine too. It hurts a little.
I told you not to order extra fries.
Hey, you ordered the burger and pizza.
Because you said let's share.
Yeah, but we ate everything.
I think I need to walk.
Walk? I can't even stand.
Come on, just a small walk.
Okay, slowly, very slowly.
Why are you walking like a robot?
Because I'm too full.
Next time, let's order less.
Yes, good idea.
And no dessert.
Wait, what about ice cream?
You're still thinking about food?
Just a little.
Unbelievable.
Okay, no more food today.
Yes, I'm done.
But maybe later?
No!
Do you want coffee or tea?
I think I want tea today.
Really? You usually drink coffee.
Yeah, but I want something light.
Good choice. I'll make hot tea.
Thank you.
Do you want sugar?
Just a little.
Here you go.
It smells nice.
I'm having coffee. I need energy.
Did you sleep late again?
Yes, I only slept 4 hours.
No wonder you look tired.
This coffee will help me wake up. What is that?
It's sushi.
Oh, really? It looks interesting.
Yeah, it's very popular.
I've never tried it before.
Really? You should try it.
I don't know. I'm a little nervous.
Why?
Is it raw fish?
Some of them, yes, but not all.
I'm not sure.
Don't worry, it's delicious, I promise.
Okay, maybe just one.
Good. Take this piece.
What should I do first?
Dip it in soy sauce.
Like this?
Yes, that's perfect.
All right, here I go.
Go on, try it. How is it?
Wow, it's actually good.
I told you.
The rice is soft and the flavor is nice.
Right? It's not scary at all.
Yeah, I was worried for nothing.
Do you want another one?
Yes, please. I want another one.
Here you go.
This one looks different.
Yeah, that one has avocado.
Oh, I like avocado.
Try it.
Wow, this is even better.
Now you're a sushi fan.
I think so.
See, trying new food is fun.
Yes, I want to try more new food next time.
Let's buy some snacks.
Good idea. I'm a little hungry.
Me too. I didn't eat much earlier.
Same here. I want something tasty.
What do you want?
Maybe chips or chocolate?
I want something sweet.
Look, these cookies look really good.
Oh, yeah, they look delicious. Let's get them.
Do you want something salty too?
Yeah, maybe a small bag of chips.
Okay, I'll take this one.
Do you want a drink too?
Yes, I'm a bit thirsty.
Maybe soda?
I think I'll get iced tea. It's more refreshing.
Good choice. I'll take a soda.
Oh, look at these candies.
They look nice, but we already have a lot.
Yeah, you're right.
Don't forget to check the price.
Let me see. Okay, it's not too expensive.
That's good.
Should we get anything else?
I think this is enough.
Yeah, we don't want to spend too much.
Great. Let's go to the cashier.
I'll pay this time.
Really? Thanks.
No problem. You can pay next time.
Deal.
What are you eating?
I have pizza.
Oh, wow, it smells so good.
Yeah, I just bought it. Do you want some?
Really? Thank you.
Of course. Sharing is caring.
That's so nice of you.
Here, take this slice.
Wow, it looks delicious.
Be careful, it's still hot.
Okay. Wow, it's so good.
I'm glad you like it.
The cheese is so soft.
Yeah, and the sauce is really tasty.
Where did you buy it?
From a small shop near my house.
I want to go there next time.
You should, it's really good.
Do you want some of my fries?
Oh, you have fries too?
Yes, I bought them earlier.
Yes, please. I love fries.
Here you go.
Thanks. They're crispy.
Right? I like them a lot.
This is a perfect combo, pizza and fries.
Yeah, we have a full meal now.
Do you want a drink too?
Sure, I have some soda.
Nice. This is great.
It's fun to share food like this.
Yeah, food tastes better together.
I agree. Eating alone is boring.
Next time, let's invite more friends.
Good idea. We can share more food.
Yes, and try different things.
I'm excited already. Try this. It's a little spicy.
Okay, I like spicy food.
Are you sure? It looks very red.
Don't worry, I'm ready.
All right, go ahead.
Mmm.
How is it?
Wow.
What happened?
It's so spicy.
I told you.
My mouth is burning.
Drink some water.
It's still spicy.
Water is not enough.
I need milk. Where's the milk?
Here, take this.
Oh, okay. A little better.
You look like you're crying.
I am crying. This is too spicy.
Do you want some bread?
Yes, please. Anything to stop this.
Here you go.
Okay. Okay, I'm calm now.
So, do you still like spicy food?
Yes, but not this spicy.
Ha, you were so confident earlier.
I made a mistake.
Do you want to try again?
No way. Never again.
Come on, just a small bite.
No!
Okay. More for me then.
You're crazy. Useful vocabulary. Starving. Meaning very, very hungry. Example, I didn't eat all day. I'm starving. Seasoning. Meaning spices or flavor added to food. Example, don't forget to add the seasoning to the noodles. Boil. Meaning to cook in hot water. Example, boil the water before adding the noodles. Full. Meaning not hungry anymore after eating a lot. Example, I'm so full, I can't eat anymore. Tasty. Meaning good flavor. Example, these fries are really tasty. Dip. Meaning put food into sauce quickly. Example, dip the sushi in soy sauce. Spicy. Meaning hot flavor, like chili. Example, this food is too spicy for me. Burning. Meaning very hot feeling, mouth or throat. Example, my mouth is burning from the spicy food. Protein. Meaning nutrient from meat, eggs, etc. Example, eggs and chicken are good protein. Embarrassing. Meaning makes you feel shy or uncomfortable. Example, my stomach made noise. It was embarrassing. Nice work. Practice these conversations again to improve your English. Before you go, I have a question for you. What protein do they add? What food are they trying to eat? What drink do they choose to buy? Write your answer in the comments. Thank you for watching and learning with us. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more English practice. See you in the next English lesson.